Namaste. Today I'm going to share with you soybean edamame snack. Of course, you have to boil it or you can steam it. About 5 minutes, you can get a cooked edamame. This is already steamed, so of course, you have seen it probably. It's just like that. You can eat it like this, or in Nepal we call Bhatamaas Sadheko. And I will share with you recipe. This is kind of spicy and it just represses your taste. So I use a pound of peeled edamame and then 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small jalapeno. This is pretty big. I use a small one. Salt, half a teaspoon salt, and then I use a teaspoon of mustard oil. Typical in Nepali style, we have to use mustard oil, but you can use sesame oil or you can use olive oil too. What do you have at home? And then, of course, you're gonna peel and pound your garlic, and then same thing with the cut of the jalapeno and pound it with the garlic, and then you can put some salt here and mix it all together, and then of course you use a teaspoon of oil and mix it all together. This is how it looks. It's really refreshing, and I eat with this noodle, with brown rice or any rice, or by itself. It is very tasty snack, and it's loaded with protein. I'm vegetarian, so I enjoy this. Sometimes I just steam the edamame and eat it for breakfast, a bowl, and because it's loaded with protein, a lot of fiber and hemoglobin. Also, it has iron. So thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe. And if you wanna, like I said, you can use a powder ones too. Powder pepper, black pepper, or the garlic powder. Everything you can use already, but the fresh is very refreshing and tasty. Thank you.